Hey there, Health and Her team. I came across your brand and like to say well done getting high star ratings for your perimenopause supplement. I know that this is hard to achieve, and saying this is a job well done. By the way, my name is Pleasure from my Amazon guy, and it's my goal to point out potential opportunities that you may want to consider. First thing I'd like to talk about is traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing are keywords. I see that you're organically indexing for 1600, which is good. This is the best way to grow sales if you know what keywords. Or this is getting you free traffic on Amazon. But I also see there's more keywords you can take advantage. You can check out this word cloud here. And good job on advertising too. This is the best way to grow sales if you know what keywords to target. This can be done profitably. But what we usually like to recommend is one paid for two organics or the golden keyword ratio. We have also looked at how your keywords are performing, like these keywords here: perimenopause supplements, women, perimenopause supplements, and a lot of keywords that's highly relevant for the listing. So it's good job that you're being seen on top ranks organically. But we also would like to be seen for those keywords with the highest traffic for the category. There are keywords that you're still on a higher double to triple digits, so you need to work on those as well, and we aim to be in the top 50 to be on first page where 90% of clicks and conversion happen. Now, if you look at how big your category is, just in the top 50 listings on one keyword, perimenopause supplements women, there's over $4.9 million monthly revenue share, and top sellers getting 81K on average. I see there's more market share available for you, but good job on selling 2,200 units, generating 55K. We can still grow that by utilizing click through rate and conversion as part of SEO strategy, as we can see lots of competitors that's able to outsell you. Now, if you look at some competitors, we have here Vumvaya. We're not comparing your products, but we'd like to look at how they're strategizing so we can benefit from them in any way. If we look at their keyword distribution, we can see there's more keywords that they're indexing organically. So, to help you further improve your keywords distribution, we can look at top 10 of your competitors to pick the high performing keywords from them and incorporate them into your listing. Finding these relevant keywords will help your product index for more. We can also help you with advertising, making sure we're targeting relevant keywords while doing it profitably. Back to your front end listing here, the overall look of your listing is what drives conversion. Your title and bullets are the best areas for keyword indexing. Good job on maximizing your character counts for both, but make sure to update them regularly as SEO is not set and forget. You also have good images. I like your lifestyle photos, infographics, and demographics, but we can help you A B test your images to continuously improve them. And good job adding videos to add credibility to your listing while helping your listing stand out. Scrolling down, I also see that you have your A plus content. Well done showcasing your products, but make sure to maximize this by adding crawlable text, and your A plus content can also be improved when it comes to designs and graphics. I'd like to show you quickly a good example. This one right here is from Age of Sage, one of our works at my Amazon guy. And this is an A plus content where you can add lots of great enticing images. You can have crawlable text, 500 to 1,000 words of copy to load with highly relevant keywords. You can add your product grid for product comparison, and even up to 7 modules. Then we have a brand story where you can talk about your brand to increase brand awareness and showcase others of your products with their clickable links to increase average order value while pushing down competitors showing up on your listing. Then we can have alt text behind these images too, where you can put common misspellings and Spanish keywords that can be maximized to 100 characters per image. We highly recommend you take advantage of all these features to help you not just with conversion, but also with keyword indexing and advertising. Those are just a few tips. If you want to learn more, take advantage of our free consultation. Just click the book a call button at the end of the video or the link in my email. Choose your best schedule to speak with our Amazon expert for free. Learn more of our services and get your personalized quote aligned with your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across all pillars of Amazon: PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. So, whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thank you for watching. We look forward to show you more opportunities. Have a good one.